Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 MG ZS Excite. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, returning up to 41 miles to the gallon. An insurance group of 15, and this is a one owner vehicle having covered just over 13,000 miles and comes with service history from MG. This particular colour is the Metallic Battersea Blue and looks in good condition to fill the mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, we've got a nice clean interior and a nice pattern going up the centre there, which certainly brightens up the cabin. Onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has automatic headlights, the electric mirror controls there on the right hand side, as well as the 4 window controls. The ZS is a great car for the family, so lots of legroom and headroom there in the back, ideal for getting children in our car seats, for example. And the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor you have your tyre inflator kit and a bit of extra storage, so that's nice and handy. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, the 17-inch alloy wheels and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car over 5 years with no deposit. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.